3. Both skilled and semi-skilled work are employed in these industries. Skilled workers alone are employed in these industries.
However, 4. Thermal electricity and hydroelectricity. No. Thermal electricity, hydroelectricity, happening. 1. Thermal electricity is produced using coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Hydroelectricity is produced from water. 2. Nearly 66% of the total production of electricity in India is from thermal power stations. Nearly 20% of the total production of electricity in India is from hydropower. 3. The resources used in this system are non-renewable. The resource used in this system is renewable. However, 5. Wind energy and thermal energy. No. Wind energy, thermal energy, thermal pollution. 1. Wind energy is produced from wind using windmill. It is produced by burning coal, petroleum, and natural gas. 2. It is free from pollution. It pollutes the atmosphere. 3. Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Maharashtra has wind farms and produces wind energy. Mizoram, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and West Bengal are producing thermal energy. V. Answer the following in a paragraph. 1. Explain the factors responsible for the concentration of jute industries in the Hooghly region. Jute is a low-priced fiber used mainly for making package materials like gunny bags. It is the second largest textile industry in India after cotton textiles. Jute is also known as golden fiber. The major jute-producing areas are in West Bengal and concentrated along the Hooghly River within the radius of 6 km of Kolkata. The factors responsible for the concentration of jute industries in the Hooghly regions are raw material. Hooghly is very near to the areas of jute cultivation. Transport. The waters of Hooghly provide inexpensive transport facilities, and there is good network of railways and roadways. Water. There is abundant water supply for processing of jute. Labor. Cheap labor is easily available from West Bengal, Odisha, and Bihar. Kolkata, the developed urban city, provides banking, insurance, and port facilities for export. 2. Write an account on the major iron and steel industries of India. Iron and steel industry is called as basic metallurgical industry. Its finished products are used as raw materials by a host of other industries. Several industries use iron and steel as their primary raw material. Due to this, the steel-producing capacity of a country is generally taken as an indicator of its level of industrial development. Industry began with the entry of Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. Along with this, L&T, Infotech, iFlex, Accentures, Cognizant, Galaxy Solutions India Private Limited, and ITC Infotech are the major software industries in our country. 7. Mention the major challenges of Indian industries. Industries in India face many problems. Some major problems are listed below. Shortage and fluctuation in power supply. Non-availability of large blocks of land. Poor access to credit. High rate of interest for borrowed loan. Non-availability of cheap laborers. Lack of technical and vocational trained employees. Inappropriate living conditions nearby industrial estates. IV. Distinguish between 1. Paper industry and sugar industry. No. 1. 2. Paper industry. Sugar industry. Paper industry is a forest products-based industry. It is an agro-based industry. Paper industry functions throughout the year. The sugar industry does not function throughout the year. It functions during the sugarcane harvest season. 3. Wood pulp, bamboo, waste papers, bagasse are the raw materials of this industry. Sugarcane and sugar beet are the raw materials of this industry. 2. Automobile industry and electronic industry. No. Automobile industry. Electronic industry. 1. This industry has changed the transport system of the people completely. It has changed the lifestyle of the people to a great extent. 2. It manufactures commercial vehicles to transport goods and people. It produces communication devices in iPod, pen drives, etc. 3. Area. Automobile industry occupies a vast type of industries. Minimum area is enough to start this. 3. Iron and steel industry and software industry. S. No. 1. Iron and steel industry. Software industry. These are mineral-based industries. These are not mineral-based industries. 2. Most of the iron and steel industries are located in the Chota-Nagpur Plateau region. Cities all over India. These industries are scattered in big. 3. Answer the following questions briefly. 1. Name the states that lead in the production of iron ore in India. Jharkhand is the leading producer of iron ore with 25% the country's production. Odisha with 21% production ranks second in the country. The magnetite production of Chhattisgarh is 18% and Karnataka is 20%. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu are also notable for the production of iron ore. 2. What are the organizations associated with minerals in India? The organizations associated with minerals in India are S. No. Organizations. 1. Headquarters. Geological Survey of India. 2. Kolkata. Indian Bureau of Mines. 3. Nagpur. Non-Ferrous Material Technology Development Center, NFTDC. Hyderabad. 3. Name the different forms of iron ores and its iron content. The iron ores are usually rich in iron oxides and vary in color from dark gray, bright yellow or deep purple to rusty red. The iron is usually found in following form. S. No. Form of iron ores. 1. Iron content, percent. Magnetite. 2. 72.4%. Hematite. 69.9%. 3. Goethite. 62.9%. 4. Limonite. 5. 55%. Siderite. 48.2%. 4. Write a note on limestone. Limestone is associated with rocks composed of either calcium carbonate or carbonate of calcium and magnesium or mixture of both. Limestone also contains small quantities of silica, alumina, iron oxides, phosphorus and sulfur. Limestone is used in the industries of chemicals for soda ash, caustic soda, bleaching powder, paper, cement, iron and steel, glass and fertilizers. 5. Why is Mumbai called as Manchester of India? The following facility favors the development of cotton textile industries in Mumbai. Presence of black cotton soil in Maharashtra. Humid climate. Presence of Mumbai port. Availability of hydropower. Good market and well-developed transport facilities. The high concentration of textile mills in and around Mumbai makes it as Manchester of India. 6. Name the major software industries in India. India is home to some of the finest software companies in the world. The software companies in India are reputed across the world for their efficient IT solutions. Iron and steel industry of India is mainly concentrated in the states of Jharkhand, West Bengal and Odisha. These areas have sufficient iron ore, coal, limestone, manganese and silicon which are required for iron and steel industry. The major iron and steel industries of India are S. No. Name of the industry. 1, 2, 3. Year of beginning. Product. Tata Iron and Steel Company, Tisco. Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. 1911. Pig Iron. Indian Iron and Steel Company, IISCO. Burnpur, Hirapur, Kulti, West Bengal. 1972. Pig Iron and Crude Steel. Viswesvaraya Iron and Steel Limited, VISL. Place. Bhadravati, Karnataka. 1923. 4. Alloy and Sponge Steel. Hindustan Steel Limited, Russian collaboration. Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. 1957. 5. Railway Equipments and Shipbuilding. Hindustan Steel Limited, German collaboration. Rourkela, Odisha. 1965. 6. Electric plates and hot and cold rolled sheets. Hindustan Steel Limited, British collaboration. Durgapur, West Bengal. 1959. 7. Alloy Steel and Railway Equipments. Hindustan Steel Limited, Russian collaboration. Bokaro, Jharkhand. 1972. 8. Sludge and Slog. Salem Steel Limited. Salem, Tamil Nadu. 1982. Stainless Steel. 9. Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. 1981. Hot Metal. 3. Explain the factors that influence the location of industries. The location of an industry is determined by raw material, power, transport, manpower, water, market and government policies. Raw material. Industries are located with respect to the availability of raw materials. For example, sugar industry is located near the raw material region because it is a weight-losing material. Power. Most of the industries tend to be located near the source of power. Power is needed to process the raw materials. Most of the iron and steel industries are located nearly the coal fields because it requires about 5 tons of coking coal to melt 1 ton of iron ore. Transport. Transport is an important factor for carrying raw materials to manufacturing units and finished products to the markets. Oil refineries are located near railway stations or near the port. Manpower. Availability of skilled and unskilled or technically qualified manpower is an important factor for the location of industries. For example, Mumbai and Chennai get manpower from all over the country.